Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about initial and final conditions related with the transients in RLC circuit. So what is the behavior of inductor and capacitor at the time t equal to 0, that is called as initial condition, and what is the behavior of the inductor and capacitor and also resistor at t equal to infinite, that is called as final condition. Okay, so here we will discuss this initial and final condition, and we will discuss one numerical also here. Then one more lecture I am going to develop, that is lecture number 10. So there we will discuss few more numericals based on the initial and final condition. Okay, so see here, what is the initial condition? What is the behavior of the circuit elements? We know the circuit elements कौन कौन से होते हैं? Resistance, inductance and capacitance. So what is the circuit behavior at the time of switching? Switching matlab whether you are closing or opening the switch. So that is called as behavior of the elements. So condition before switching action and condition after operating the switch must be known as t equal to 0 minus and t equal to 0 plus. Clear? And these conditions we will use to find the particular solution from the general solution. So we will see what is the effect, what is the behavior of resistance. I'm talking about the initial condition, right? So initial condition in various elements means at t equal to what? 0. T equal to 0, what is the behavior of resistance? So see here, this is the resistance we have. Okay, and this is the switch we have. It was open. Say V, and at t equal to 0 I am closing the switch. So if you draw the waveform t versus current, क्या before t equal to 0 current कितना था? 0. क्यों? Switch was open, so current ही नहीं flow हो रहा था. Suddenly at t equal to 0 I am closing the switch. So from V equal to what? IR, from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law. Yeah, I equal to what? V by R. क्लियर ना? So जैसे ही आप क्लोज करेंगे, because resistance is a energy consuming device, it is not a energy storing device, so कुछ इसको मतलब नहीं है. जैसे ही we will apply the voltage, suddenly current will increase instantly. Current will increase to like this. Current will increase to what? What is the current equal to what? V by R. Suddenly current will increase to V by R and current will become like that. Instantly current will change. Clear na? So this is the before t equal to 0 and after t equal to 0 suddenly current will increase. इसका मतलब है resistance will act as resistance at t equal to 0, means t equal to 0 plus. Just after operating the switch, resistance will act as resistance. मतलब resistance will act as resistance means what? Resistance की जो value होगी it will decide the value of current. Suddenly current will change. Clear? So this is the initial condition in case of resistance. Resistance will act as resistance. No, it is energy consuming device, right? I'm rubbing it. We'll see what is happening in case of inductor and capacitor. Okay, next I'm going to talk about, next slide, inductor. So suppose this is the source we have and this is the switch. Okay, this is the L, inductor is there. Okay, so just t equal to 0, switch was open, so what was the current? Current कितना है? IL0 minus. That is means what? That is a current flowing through inductor. Actually current flow हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, forget it. What is the current stored by inductor? That is IL0 minus. जब current flow ही नहीं हो रहा तो stored क्या होगा? 0. It is 0. And we know in case of inductor, it is opposes the change of current. Because inductor is a property to store the energy in terms of what? 1 by 2 Li square. It stores the energy in terms of current. So it opposes the change of current. It opposes the change of current. So just before and just after, प्लस मतलब जस्ट आफ्टर करंट विल बी सेम. कितना होगा? पहले कितना था? जीरो था. तो जस्ट आफ्टर विल बी जीरो. करंट विल बी जीरो. आई एम क्लोजिंग द स्विच एट टी इक्वल टू जीरो. Clear? So current zero means what? Current zero means what? It is open circuit. Current zero कब होता है? जब open हो. Open circuit. So inductor is this one. Inductor is there. Okay. It will act as what? At t equal to 0. It acts as what? It will act as open circuit. It will act as open circuit. So in case of inductor at t equal to 0, it will act as open circuit. अगर कुछ current flow हो रहा था, so it will act as a current source of that value. मान लो 2 ampere flow हो रहा है at t equal to 0, so it will act as 2 ampere source. Be careful about it. Otherwise it is 0. Capacitor. In case of capacitor, I am going to show here. This is the switch, and this is the capacitor. Okay. Now, before t equal to 0, what was the current flowing? 0. करंट फ्लो, स्विच ओपन था तो करंट फ्लो हो रहा था कि नहीं? नहीं. अगर करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा था तो कैपेसिटर चार्ज हो जाएगा कि नहीं? नहीं होगा. सो क्या है कैपेसिटर? क्या स्टोर करता है? एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वोल्टेज 1 by 2 CV square. So capacitor is having the property to store the energy in terms of voltage. It will accumulate the charges, and charges accumulate होंगे, charge store होंगे तो Q equal to क्या होता है? CV. Q बढ़ेगा तो V will increase. So okay, so it will charge will increase, so voltage will increase. इसका मतलब है voltage will be developed. Now just before current was 0, so voltage कितना रहेगा? 0. And we know in case of capacitor it stores the energy in terms of voltage. It will oppose the change of voltage. इसका मतलब क्या है? Vc0 minus और Vc0 plus will be same. So just before and just after voltage कितना रहेगा? 0. अगर just before 0 था तो just after will be 0. ओके. इसका मतलब है voltage 0 means what? voltage 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? शॉर्ट सर्किट. वोल्टेज 0 का मतलब दो पॉइंट के बीच का वोल्टेज 0 है, मतलब यहाँ का 0 है अगर है तो यहाँ का भी 0 आएगा. कब होगा? जब शॉर्ट होगा. Okay, so capacitor will act as what? This is the capacitor at t equal to 0. It will act as what? Short circuit. It will act as short circuit. अगर before t equal to 0 मान लो ये 2 volt है, it will act as voltage source of 2 volt. Be careful about it. पहले से 2 वोल्ट अगर यहाँ पर है t equal to 0 पे, so just after कितना दिखाएगा? It will show the 2 volt, means it will act as a voltage source of 2 volt. Be careful about it. That is the initial condition. So initially R will act as R, L will act as open circuit, C will act as short circuit. Be careful about it, right? That is the initial condition. I am rubbing it. Now, next slide, final condition. What about in case of inductor? In case of inductor, we know voltage equal to क्या होता है? In case of inductor, V equal to क्या होता है? L di by dt. And this is the circuit we have. This is the source. V circuit is closed at t equal to 0. Okay, close कर दिया था. और this was the inductor. So क्या हो रहा है? Voltage source supply the current. Voltage will increase or decrease. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा? When this voltage will increase, sorry, when voltage will supply the current, so current का फार्मूला क्या है? Rise in current equal to क्या होता है? Current will increase, so this will store the energy in terms of current. और अगर आप प्लॉट करेंगे time versus current, तो कैसा आता है? You know, you have studied. This is the example of rise in current. Yes, you have studied. Source you have connected. आपने source लगाया है और इंडक्टर में से करंट फ्लो हो रहा है। तो अगर आपने करंट वर्सेस टाइम आपने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ड्रा करेंगे और आपको एक चीज मालूम है, इंडक्टर स्टोर्स एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ करंट, राइट। तो वो क्या होगा, करंट स्टोर करते करते कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कैसी आती है, ऐसी आती ना, राइज होगा उसके बाद कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, कितना करंट कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, कितना वैल्यू आएगी, V बाई R। सो करंट विल बिकम आफ्टर कांस्टेंट एट t इक्वल टू व्हाट, एट t इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट। कई घंटों से ये स्विच ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा है तो करंट विल बिकम कांस्टेंट, होगा कि नहीं, यस होगा। सो VL इक्वल टू क्या होगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट, दिस इज द कांस्टेंट, करंट विल बिकम कांस्टेंट, राइट। And if the current will become constant, differentiation of constant is what, zero. Voltage zero means it will act as voltage zero हो जाएगा। Voltage zero means what, it will act as what, short circuit, it will act as short circuit. So at t equal to, final condition, at t equal to what, at t equal to what, infinite, volt inductor will act as what, inductor will act as what, short circuit। at t equal to infinite, inductor will act as short circuit। क्यों short हो जाएगा, because current will become constant, current will become constant, so differentiation of constant is zero, voltage will become zero, and voltage zero का मतलब होता है, voltage zero का मतलब होता है short circuit। Similarly in case of capacitor, what is the current, I equal to C dV by dt, okay, this formula we know, I equal to C dV by dt, and we know if you plot the time versus Vc, in case of capacitor we know capacitor stores the energy in terms of voltage, so if you plot it will be, this is the characteristic we will get, we know when you plot the time versus voltage, so capacitor will store the energy in terms of voltage, and after some time at t equal to infinite, voltage will become constant, it will become constant, so voltage will become constant, एक voltage के ऊपर जाएगा ही नहीं, so differentiation of constant, voltage become constant, so differentiation of constant क्या होता है, zero, इसका मतलब करंट विल बिकम जीरो, एंड वी नो इन केस ऑफ कैपेसिटर करंट कम होते होते जीरो होता है, डिक्रीज ही होता है, और करंट जीरो का मतलब क्या होता है, शॉर्ट की ओपन, ओपन, सो कैपेसिटर विल एक्ट एज ओपन, सो सी इज देयर at t equal to infinite, at t equal to infinite it will act as what, open, it will act as open circuit, okay, clear. So this is happening, so I'm going to develop one table and that will show the result, okay. So I'm rubbing it first, okay. So I'm going to show one table, so this is the table, this is the element, we are at t equal to 0 plus, that is the initial condition, right, and this t equal to infinite, that is the final condition, this is the initial condition. So resistance will act as resistance, finally it will act as resistance, in case of t equal to 0 it will R, it will be again R, but in case of inductor at t equal to 0 it will act as open circuit, but at t equal to infinite it will be short circuit, right, okay. Capacitor at t equal to 0 it will act as short circuit, and at t equal to infinite it will act as open circuit, अगर पहले से करंट इंडक्टर में तो it will act as a current source, clear, or here it will act as voltage source, like that. So this is the table will be used to solve the problem, okay. I'm going to take one numerical, okay, and after taking numerical we will discuss 3 more numerical, we will discuss in the next lecture. So just see one question here, this is the problem I have given, find the current at t equal to 0, t equal to 0 and t equal to infinite. So at t equal to 0 switch was open. दिख रहा है ये, दिख रहा है यहाँ ऐसा कर रहा है, मतलब क्या कर रहा है, आप क्लोज करने जा रहे हैं ना. सो एट t equal to 0 माइनस स्विच was open and close the switch at t equal to 0. So after t equal to 0 कैसे switch act, resistance will act as resistance. यहाँ आपका वोल्टेज सोर्स आ गया, कितना है V, resistance will act as resistance R1, it will act as R2, capacitor will act as, yes, we know from the table, initially जब करंट ही नहीं फ्लो हो रहा था तो वोल्टेज डेवलप होगा कि नहीं, वोल्टेज विल बी जीरो. वोल्टेज जीरो का मतलब होता है इट विल एक्ट एज शॉर्ट. ओके, इंडक्टर में भी करंट नहीं फ्लो हो रहा है, इंडक्टर में करंट जीरो है, स्टोर्ड वैल्यू जीरो है. जीरो की वैल्यू का मतलब होता है क्या, ओपन. ओके, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I1 0 प्लस, this is at t equal to 0 plus, at t equal to, what is the behavior of the circuit at t equal to 0 plus, and this is I2 0 plus. So what is the value of I1 0 plus V upon R1 in one loop. I2 0 plus क्या होगा, I2 0 plus क्या है, ओपन है, so equal to 0. These are the two answers, we got it. At t equal to 0 plus, this is the behavior of the circuit here, and these are the values. Now at t equal to infinite, at t equal to infinite, what is the behavior of the circuit? Just here, this is the source V. Clear, I have closed the switch at t equal to 0 पे close कर दिया था, so this will be the R1, this will be the R2. Okay, now capacitor will act as what at t equal to 0. आपको बता दिया था मैंने, कैपेसिटर क्या स्टोर करता है, फार्मूला क्या है कैपेसिटर का, I equal to C dV by dt. We know, yes ना, I equal to C dV by dt. और t equal to 0 पे you have closed the switch. जब क्लोज कर दिया है तो कैपेसिटर क्या होगा, चार्ज होगा. यस, करंट चार्ज होगा तो कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज बढ़ता जाएगा और इट विल बिकम कांस्टेंट. It will become constant. Differentiation of constant will be zero. Current will become zero. और हमको मालूम है फाइनली t इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट पे करंट कम होके जीरो ही होता है. जीरो का मतलब क्या होता है, ओपन की शॉर्ट. करंट जीरो मतलब ओपन, सो इट विल एक्ट एज ओपन, राइट ना. इंडक्टर, इंडक्टर में क्या होता है, VL इक्वल टू क्या होता है, LDI बाई dt. वी नो V इक्वल टू LDI बाई dt. और यहाँ से करंट फ्लो हो रहा था तो इंडक्टर करंट स्टोर कर रहा है, स्टोर करता है, करंट बढ़ते ही जाएगा एंड इट विल बिकम कांस्टेंट. भाई बढ़ते बढ़ते एक जगह तो कांस्टेंट होने वाला है, t इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट की बात कर रहे हैं हम. सो करंट कांस्टेंट, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट इज जीरो, सो वोल्टेज विल बिकम जीरो. वोल्टेज अक्रॉस इंडक्टर विल बी जीरो. वोल्टेज जीरो का मतलब क्या होता है, शॉर्ट. वोल्टेज जीरो का मतलब शॉर्ट, इट विल एक्ट एज शॉर्ट. क्लियर, दिस इज I1 0 प्लस, I2 0 plus, both will be same because sorry ये तो ओपन है यार, करंट जीरो मतलब ओपन, ओपन, दिस इज ओपन, सॉरी ये ओपन है. So we will get I1 0 plus equal to what, I2 0 plus, both will be same. I1 0 plus equal to I2 0 plus equal to what, V upon R1 plus R2, V upon R1 plus R2, दोनों सेम करंट है. ओके, दिस इज द आंसर. I1, सॉरी नॉट I1 0 plus, I1 0 infinity और I2 infinity, sorry, I1 infinity equal to I2 infinity equal to V upon R1 plus R2. So this is the behavior of the circuit at t equal to 0 and t equal to infinite. So I have taken one numerical, 3 more numerical I will take in the next lecture. Okay. I'm rubbing it, and this is really very interesting also. Examiner may ask some numerical also in the MCQs. Clear questions on MCQ. What is the behavior of the inductor and capacitor, etc. You must know. It is very important. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening.